GENIUM is an innovative space-saving refrigeration container that completely replaces the need for a separate machine room. It integrates all the necessary safety equipment and reduces the workload to the electrical and hydraulic connection to the existing infrastructure. Thanks to its compact design, GENIUM requires a minimal footprint and can be placed almost anywhere outside the building, eliminating the need for additional racks for cooling towers. This flexibility enables the container to be set up without the need for complex planning permission procedures, which also saves time and administrative effort. Another advantage is the easy transportability of the closed system, which can be relocated quickly and easily if spatial conditions change, while the chilled water system remains reliably protected. All in all, our GENIUM refrigeration container offers a space-saving, efficient, and flexible solution for a wide range of requirements and environments.